In this video, we are going to learn domain analysis of basket microservices. And this step is critical in understanding the microservice functionality, and it includes several steps. The first step is we will understand domain models. After that, we will understand application use cases, REST API endpoints, and lastly, we will understand underlying data structures. Let's start with the domain models. In the basket microservices, we primarily deal with the three domain models. These are the shopping cart item, and basket checkout. In shopping cart domain model, we basically hold the user's shopping cart information. In the shopping cart item domain model, this is represent individual item in the shopping cart, and this has one-to-n relationships. And if you look at the basket checkout event, this is using during the basket checkout process, and we can think that and consider that these could be domain event for basket operation, and this will be leading the integration event to perform asynchronous communication. The next thing we are going to check is application use cases for basket microservices, and we have grouping these basket use cases in CRUD use case, gRPC use case, and asynchronous use case. So let me start with the CRUD basket use cases. In CRUD operations, we basically managing shopping cart, including adding, updating, and removing items. So we can say that get shopping cart with items for get operations, and store shopping cart with items, that is including our upsert operation in Martin. That means insert or update existing the whole shopping cart JSON object. This is including the add item into shopping cart, remove item into shopping cart, or even we can update one cart item into shopping cart, for example, increase the quantity. All these operations is combined in the store operation that will be update the whole JSON, and that means insert or update existing record. And the last operation is delete shopping cart with items. These are under the CRUD basket operations, and the second main use case are gRPC cases. In gRPC basket operation, we can discounts to the item in the shopping cart using the gRPC. That means we will use it operation when store the basket. We will update the shopping cart with items or add item into cart. We can run the get discount and deduct the discount coupon from the item price. And the last main use case is asynchronous use case. This will be handling the checkout process and publishing event to the RabbitMQ to perform asynchronous operation and publish subscribe pattern. So these are the application use cases for basket microservices. And if you continue with the REST API endpoints, our basket microservices exposing the following RESTful endpoints. These are the HTTP GET into this request endpoint URL basket/username in order to perform get basket with username use cases. And we will expose HTTP post with the same URL, and this will be perform the store basket, that means insert or update basket the whole JSON object into database. And we will expose HTTP delete for the same URL in order to delete basket with username. And lastly, we will perform HTTP post operation in order to do basket checkout use cases. This endpoint is basket/checkout. Of course, in basket checkout operation, we will send the whole basket checkout object into the JSON payload of this HTTP post request. And after that, we can check infrastructure and underlying data structures of basket microservices. Basically, basket microservices has two data sources. The first one is Martin document database, which is the PostgreSQL database, and the second one is Redis distributed cache. Martin is a powerful library that transforms PostgreSQL into .NET transactional document database, and Redis a powerful in-memory data store and distributed cache, which is good fit for our microservice architectures. We will see all details in the implementation phase.